Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashleigh, for those of you who are new here. For those of you who aren't, hi, welcome back, thanks for joining me once again. So today's video is a bit of a fun one. I mean, I feel like it went really quickly when I filmed it, but it's a room tour. Now the reason I did it, like my room's not that exciting really. I was going through and I was like, wow, this is really quite boring. But the reason I wanted to do it is because I've changed quite a few things. If you've seen my life update video, which probably gone up before this, you would notice that I've got a new background with my fairy lights hanging, and I also changed, because I used to have pictures up here, I kind of changed my decor around, and I've got 2 new picture walls and obviously no pictures up here anymore. So if you are interested, obviously then keep watching. If you have any questions about where anything is from, do let me know below. I'll try and answer. I'm going to try and link as much as I can below, but anything that I can't find I will obviously let you guys know. And anything that I do miss, let me know, because I may forget a couple of things, but yeah, I'll try. So I'm going to stop rambling now. I've just got on with the video, so I hope you enjoy it, and let's go. Okay, so as you come into my room, obviously my door is here. So this is my door. On the back I've got just like my dressing gown. I've got Josh's jumper on here because I like to wear it a lot, and then I've got my reindeer cardigan and then like a silky robe under there. And then as you come round, obviously I've got my mirror. I got this from IKEA. I'll try and link as much as I can below. I'm dressed like I don't even look fancy. I was going to say I'm dressed fancy, but I'm wearing this like velvet jumpsuit, if anyone cares. Sorry, you're here for room tour, but it's from Misguided. I wore it for Christmas. We're going out for dinner tonight, the 4 of us, so that'd be really nice. And yeah, it's just really cute, and it's velvet. I love the sleeves on it, and also this necklace is from Misguided. Done my makeup, only a little bit, but I need to put my lipstick on still. But yeah, so the mirror is here. It's just leaning against the wall there. I don't have it like tied to the wall because I like to move it around, so that is there. And then just before I show you the drawers again, obviously I've got my fairy lights along the back of the wall there, which I'm really happy with. You would have seen them in my life update video if you watched that. But yeah, I did that with my mum last week, and if you saw the vlog of the room renovation, you would have seen us taking everything down. I'm not sure I filmed us putting it up, but you would have seen us taking everything down that was off that wall. And then here I've got my Alex 9 drawers from IKEA. I'm sure everyone's seen this before, and if you haven't seen it, go and check out my makeup collection. Again, I'll link that below for you. I did that only a few weeks ago, so if you want to see what's in there, jump over to that video. On the top I've got this IKEA candle. I'm not sure what scent it is. I'm pretty sure it's like a coffee scent or something like that, but that sits on there. I'm just moving my phone through because it's recording my audio. So yeah, my handle sits there, and then I've got a card here which is from Josh. Again, that's in my vlog if you want to go and see that, check it out. At the back, this is a new addition. I basically have these boxes from IKEA and Amazon like all over my room to store things in, like in my drawers and stuff. But I recently put this phone case in there because I wanted to store my new cases. I'm getting some more soon from Sassy Online, so I wanted to store the ones I'm not using in there, and then also face masks because now they're a necessity. At the back I've got my Gucci scarf. It literally lives in the Gucci bag because I take it out of there when I want to wear it, but I like to have it on display. So it's there, basic girl, I know. My bed is here. Again, this is an IKEA bed. I'll try and find it. I think it's just like the Hemnes style, I think that's what it's called. My bedding is from The Range, and then those 2 pillows there are from Primark. I've also got like a full body pillow at the back that we got from Costco years ago. And then my little bears just sit there. I've also got this throw from Primark. On the bed, obviously these don't usually sit here, but I've got this box that usually sits over by my dressing table, like just in the corner there. But this is where I put things that I need to sort out, and I've just chucked things in here today because I emptied it, but these are bits that I bought for my weekend away this weekend, and just some like underwear and stuff I had to buy in Primark. So I've got my purse in there at the moment. I have also got this like really cute toweling set from ASOS that I bought. It's like a top and shorts but in a towel material, so that's really cool. And I've just got like a toothbrush, toothpaste. I ordered some bits from ASOS as well. I needed to get a new one of my hangover pillow balm from Too Faced, picked that up. I got a purple hair mask and a shampoo earlier, because if you don't know, I have recently just gone blonder, and I asked my hairdresser what I should do to keep the tone in. She said just use like a purple shampoo once a week. So I bought that because I don't think the shampoo's that good. It's just one of those like Provoke ones, but then I thought the L'Oreal Elvive mask would be nice just to, you know, really tone it up. I got a little conditioner to take away. I got another one of my Clinique Take the Day Off balms, but I got a mini one because the full size one, hang on, can you see that? don't think it's going to focus, but the full size one's like £25, but this was £9, and honestly it lasts ages, so I picked that up. And then I also got this Way matte hair pomade that Sophie and Chinzo rave about. It's been out of stock for ages, but it finally came back in stock, so I thought I'd pick that up as well to give that a try. Got some shower gel. I really like this men's one, and I thought obviously Josh can use it too. I then just got some more underwear from Primark, because I love these like seamless thongs, but I've got loads of like the nude colour, and I thought these were nice colours. And then I also picked up these ones because they're really soft, so I didn't need them, but I bought them. And then also on the bed, I've just got my Angel collection order, and then also my girls' bathroom order that came the other day, because I'm going to do a haul try on showing you guys what I've bought and talking about like YouTuber products and stuff. So I'm going to be filming that hopefully either later today or start filming it. I'm still waiting for my cases to come, but I want to try the bits on as soon as possible, so either today or tomorrow I'll film that. And then up behind my bed I've got all these prints. I recently redid this. You would have seen this again in my vlog. I showed you a little bit of me trying to put them up. I know they're not even, so I apologise to anyone watching this, but I did it myself. And at the bottom, these ones are all from House of Cocoa, I think it's called. So I've got this gorgeous one here, this really nice pattern. It just says Boss Babe. And then I've got this lovely like pink lips with like Louis Vuitton print all over it. In the middle there's this print that says, be so busy improving yourself that you don't have time to pay attention to anything or anyone that distracts you from your growth. And I just thought that was really nice, and obviously I love the pink background. On the left I've just got this one of like a girl in bed reading, I think it's Vogue, yeah, and then a YSL print in the background, and then this is just like a stack of designer books and then a Chanel perfume on top. At the top I've just got a pink rose and then this pink snake print with Gucci on it. But yeah, I'll link that below because they are really quite good. I do have some more prints in the corner, one of them's from Desenio, but I found House of Cocoa and I thought they looked really nice, so I picked these up. And honestly, I love them. All the frames are from IKEA, but except the one in the middle I got from Amazon because they didn't do like an A4 frame in IKEA. And then down here, I've just got like this set of drawers. I ordered this from Amazon a few months ago. I was going to try and put it in one of the shelves in my wardrobe, but it didn't fit, so I just chucked it down here next to my bed. I'm not going to show you what's in there because it's just like paperwork, like employment paperwork, car paperwork, all that kind of stuff. And then my phone charger on top is just a wireless charger, the remote for my lights, my headphones, and then just some pens because I do my like law of attraction journaling kind of stuff in the evening in bed. So I thought I would just put the pens there. And then here is my wardrobes, which I obviously take a lot of pictures in. I do apologise, I haven't actually hoovered today, and I didn't clean the mirrors on here because it's long. And obviously, yeah, I really wanted to have full-length mirrors, but the reason I got the other one over there is because the light comes in from my window here, so it's not ideal. So this is my wardrobe. I've got full hanging on the left. I don't really like to hang a lot of stuff, so I've got full hanging on the left and then shorter hanging on the right. It literally is bulked out by all my like cardigans and stuff, but yeah, that's that. And then I've got my bigger bags at the bottom and my makeup course because I use that the most, so they're just in there. On the top, I've not put this away. And then I've got this little half shelf thing with 3 drawers in it. I'm not going to show you all the drawers because it's like underwear and stuff. This is my like jewellery box. It's like one of these Muji acrylic drawer things. I have to put all my jewellery in there. It's quite good actually. And I've got a lint roller here, and at the back is just all my belts. They sit in one of those boxes. And this top drawer I recently changed. It had all my bras in, but I put just all my lounge underwear stuff in here, and then also this little guest bra that Josh's sister got me for my birthday, for Christmas last year. That's in there as well because it's like bits of everything else. So I put all my lounge stuff in here, including the underwear. So if I want something in there, I've got matching underwear, so that sits in there. In there I've got more bras, which I'm not going to show you because it's boring. And then in here is all my gym wear. This is pretty much all rider wear. If you guys haven't seen my haul for this, again I'll link it down below. I think that's got like 1,000 views now, so I appreciate that. At the back, just some like spare bits. This is like my most used bits. I've got this woman's best stuff that I got from Ellie's Angel Collection pop-up last year. That just sits in there. My resistance bands at the bottom. I've got a skipping rope and a padlock for the gym lockers. And then these really soft microfiber socks that I recently bought from Primark for working out in. Obviously, I'm working out at home at the moment, so it's fine. And then I've got my ring light here because I just leave it up, but it just is sitting in front of my wardrobe. Obviously, my windows are there, but I don't have anything on the window ledge, so sorry about that. And then in here I've got literally just all shelves because I like to like fold clothes like that. So in the bottom I've just got like spare things. I've got like my spare prints at the bottom and ones I'm not using but I don't want to get rid of them. I've got a shoebox, randomly it's empty but in case I need to send anything. And then also my winter like scarves and hats are in there. Moving up here I've got my toiletries. So I've literally got like body lotion, I've got a spare candle, all my like tampons and stuff. My fake tan all in there, and then here is just my recent giveaway which would have closed by now, so make sure you check out my Instagram if you missed out on that and any future giveaways, but that's all the giveaway prizes for that, so they're all in there. And then this level is my all camera equipment, so I've got a couple of tripods in there, some like extra bits for connecting your phone, camera or like phone remotes, spare memory cards, things like that, kind of boring but you know. And this level is like all my joggers because I've got so many now is they just sit in there, so I've got quite a few. Check out my recent hauls if you want to see what's in my wardrobe. And then I've got a level here with just my bags on, so I've got these little cute mini ones from Primark. I've got like 2 rows worth because I've got so many little bags and things, but they just sit in there. Up here I've got some spare shoes, so just like I'll show you my other shoes in a minute, but it's just spare shoes, and then also makeup bags behind there which you can't really see, and then at the top is just like memories and spare boxes, so that's kind of boring, but there you go. And then in front of my window I just have my clothes rail. You can't really see because of the sun, sorry, but I just keep all my coats on here because I have so many and they don't fit in my wardrobe. And then at the front is just a few pieces that I'm selling, so do check out my Depop if you're interested, because there's 2 poly suits and then 2 misguided dresses in there, so yeah, go and check that out. Oh, and before I forget, under the bed I have my shoes. So these are like my most worn shoes, they just all sit in there, it's like trainers and sandals. And then I've got another one which is all heels and like smarter shoes. If you haven't seen my Ego haul, go and check that out where I try some of these on. But yeah, like smarter heels, cute heels and then like nice flats. And then I won't show you, but right at the back there I've got wrapping paper, so that's really fun. And then over here is my like 5 Alex drawer unit, and then on the top I've literally got my, these are like weekly planner stickers, and then also some post-it notes that I've not opened yet from Tesco that I just thought were really cute, because I've also got my Law of Attraction journal in here, so I have that there on top of this other notebook that I used to write my notes for my audiobook. Can't get this on. Yeah, so I listen to audiobooks and write notes in here because obviously the ones I'm listening to are like self-growth, confidence kind of things, and this was from the range, so it's really cute. I've got a speaker just here, I've got a money box which, you know, is really full. I just cut myself off, but I've got this little fairy decoration here. When I was a kid I was obsessed with fairies, I had loads of them, but this one was always my favourite, so I kept that. And then this, it was my granddad's, so when he died I took that, and it's a little music box and it's really cute. And then in the drawers, sorry, I've got like camera stuff here, my sprocket, spare battery, I've got hair bits, so just some like random hair bands. I've got some of these pulse point rollerball things, hand gel, and at the back I've just got loads of nail stuff, so like press on nails and nail polishes. This drawer I've got my iPhone box, my camera, bag, command strips, plasters, headache tablets, all things like that, and then like a little heat wrap and a portable charger. Actually I've got this case that I can get in my little box, I'll take that out. This drawer is just my underwear, so I'm not going to show you that. This drawer is pyjamas, not really exciting, and then this drawer is just socks, so that's all fun. And then you would have seen all of this again in my makeup collection, but I've just got scrunchies up here in jars, these are from IKEA. I've got my body makeup, body like highlighter and stuff in there. Perfumes, my straighteners are here because I just use them, they're too hot to go away right now. And then deodorants and this little A thing. And then up here I've got more prints, so this is new. for anyone wondering. This print was above my bed, where the lights are before, so if you recognise it, that's where it's from. And that's from Desenio, and these two are from House of Cocoa again, so yeah, pretty similar. And then in here, I'm not going to show you all, so I'll take some of my clothes, but I've got swimwear in here, all my hair stuff goes in here, so my straighteners would be usually in there, but it's just all my hair products. And then these drawers are pretty much just like tops. I've got all these little like dividers and stuff from Amazon that sit in there, and that's just like all my tops. And then other tops in here, like fancy night out tops, just cute little basics, and then shorts that sit in there. It's pretty boring, but and then long sleeve tops and jumpers sit in there for winter. And then at the bottom I've just got some spare hoodies and stuff, and leggings and jeans sit in there as well. So that's that. And then obviously you would have seen my dressing table again if you've seen my makeup collection, and I'll leave that link below. And I've just got like my mini ring light, my microphone for filming, and my iPad is sat there, and then just my other bits. So yeah. So that is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Don't know what I was about to say, but I've got a few more videos planned, so I should have some more exciting things coming soon. But let me know what you'd like to see going forward, because obviously if you've seen my life update, I'm going to be working, and so I'll be able to film on Fridays and then also on the weekend. So if you do have any requests, please do let me know of anything that you'd like to see, and I'll make sure and try and get it done. But make sure you follow me on Instagram as well, because I'll try and obviously stay more active on there while I'm working as well. But make sure you subscribe if you did enjoy the video and you want to see more going forward, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Have a lovely day wherever you are, and make sure you're staying safe. See you soon.